Welcome to Mile High Living. I'm Sam Boyd. Thanks for joining us today. Colorado's own Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom is the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. And with those summer sales sizzling, right now is the best time to make those upgrades to your appliances. Nate Nichols is here to talk about these unbeatable summer sales that you guys have going on. It's so great to have you back on the show.
Thanks for having us. Yeah, we're excited to be here and excited about all these crazy deals we have going on right now.
I know. Well, and you brought a purple mattress, a little piece here, because you guys are having an awesome sale on purple mattresses. So tell us more about that.
So we have a really one-time opportunity to get purple mattresses at an incredible discount. We're able to get a ton of these mattresses from Purple recently. And we'll get into the savings, but if you've never laid on a purple mattress, it is a very unique system, this kind of grid gel system, super adaptive, super comfortable. It's like laying on clouds.
Yeah.
And 3 examples of some insane deals we have going on purple mattresses. First, we have a Purple Renew. Normally this mattress goes for $18.99. If you mention the keyword summer, you want to remember that summer phrase, you can get this mattress for only $5.99. So huge savings.
That is a huge savings.
Absolutely. We have the Restore, which is a hybrid of this purple. It's a 2-inch of the gel grid. And that mattress normally goes for $23.99. You can get that mattress for only $12.99.
Okay.
Huge savings there. And then lastly, we have the Restore Plus, which is 3 inches hybrid. That mattress goes for $3,000 normally. We have that one, again, mention that keyword summer on any of these savings, and you get that mattress for only $14.99.
Just slashing the prices there. That's incredible.
It is, absolutely.
Yeah, well, and you did, I know you were holding this up just a moment ago. Show our viewers again how this all kind of works.
Absolutely. So you're really laying on top of this grid system, so it's super adaptive. Depending on the type of sleeper you are, whether you're a back sleeper or a side sleeper, it's going to really move to your body and your body type, and it's really cool. It does not sleep hot, so very unique. You got to really come in, try it out, lay on this to get that experience.
Yeah.
It's
revolutionary
awesome.
Right there.
It really is.
Now, aside from the purple mattress, what other types of mattress brands do you guys offer?
Yeah, we have all the mattress brands people are comfortable and familiar with. So we have Tempur-Pedic, we have Beauty Rest Black, obviously Purple, other lines of Purple, Casper, Dream Cloud. You really want to come in, work with a sleep expert to really get fitted for the mattress of your dreams.
Love that. A sleep expert. I need one of those.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, let's talk about appliances.
Yeah.
How are you guys helping our viewers that are out there, they're shopping at your stores, save a lot of money?
Really, we're saving customers 2 different ways. The first way is we have thousands of open box or uncrated items right now. So the way we get those during shipping, boxes get torn or damaged. We bring those into our warehouse. We unbox them to make sure they're in new condition. They're brand new. They have the full manufacturer's warranty. And we get them at a huge discount. We're able to pass that savings on to the consumer. So that's the first way. The second way is we have thousands of special buys in our warehouse right now here locally. So anytime there's a supply chain or a gridlock with the manufacturer, we're able to relieve that pressure from the manufacturer, bring those into our warehouse at a huge discount, and again, pass that savings on to the customer. They're still brand new and they're still in the box.
Okay, again, we're talking about summer sales. Yes. What type of laundry options do you have on those types of sales?
Yeah, we're really excited about this Whirlpool front load washing machine. This normally sells for $13.99 at the big box right now. It's in this beautiful color. It's called Black Shadow, and it really has all the features you can get on a washing machine. You can get this washer for only $4.99, which is a $900 savings when you buy the dryer. Just awesome savings.
That is incredible. And we also have to talk about refrigerator specials, because you guys have something there too.
Yeah, we're really pumped about this Whirlpool French door stainless steel refrigerator. Has water inside, so it gives you tons of room for storage. And then down in the freezer, it has an ice maker. Big Box is selling this for $16.98 right now. We have this refrigerator for only $10.99, so it's a $600 savings.
Yeah, I love that you mentioned Big Box, because you know, people are coming to your stores. They're shopping with you guys instead of going to the big box stores. Why is that?
Well, so really you want to work with someone that's going to help you from start to finish. We're really proud of our reviews. We have almost a 5-star rating with Google right now. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. So if somebody comes in, they know they're going to get help from the beginning to the end. And because we're local, we have next day and same day delivery available right now.
Love that. Delivery is so important. Just a couple of seconds left. Talk to our viewers about locations. Where are you guys all around the Front Range?
All over along the Front Range, right? We have 23 stores, so most likely we have a store near you. So you can go on appliancefactory.com. appliance.com. Look us up right there. But come in, try out these purple mattresses, lay on those, and just see the incredible savings that we have going on right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And again, the key word to remember when you go into the store, what do you got to say?
Summer.
Summer.
Yes.
Yeah, perfect timing. Well, thank you so much, Nate,
Thanks
for your
having
time. Appreciate it. And Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom summer clearance is going on now. You can save up to 30 to 60% off of products such as washers and dryers, kitchen appliances, and mattresses. They are the nation's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer. Just visit appliancefactory.com for more information and to find a store nearest you. They paid for this segment. We'll be right back.